Yeah, I think we saw you 3 or 4 houses ago.
I've been chasing a couple of you, I think.
Hard enough, especially hard enough. Unlike balsams, it's too soft. So every year this wood is the best. Latex molds. There's scream iron, and then there's a base coat called hydrocal, and then on top of that is the latex mold. Yeah. So this lighting creates the color values, and it also gives a shadow. Like I just the other day, birds. I like the toilet. Yeah. Well, that's my 6 inches. And the guy from the top over by the cemetery, the guy crawled on the top. Yeah. The foreigners there, and the guy scratched his arm.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
All right. I'll trade with you here.
No, I've seen it before.
Okay. I might tuck into this corner here. That's the best furnace room I've ever seen.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it? How you doing, Ron?
How are you?
Good.
Well, yeah, I know, but I agree with this. Sierra Valley. This one dealer and makes the wheels. Gary Raymond. This is big.
From Caboose?
Yeah. No one does that. It's a record dealer. You know, it's always net 30.
Okay.
How are you two? Good. Good. Good to see you again. Thank you. I know it's a long ways to go from like pawn cars to here. You gotta fill your tank up.
Yeah, we haven't been to pawn cars.
Which is open tomorrow too. So. I hope Chris will do this next year on northeast and northwest.
Yeah.
Sure.
Well, yeah, for the convention, I think you will, yeah.
In fact, through the little screen, some places, man, you thought you were in Durango.
You keep adding more detail, huh?
Yeah.
You got the land done, so you're going to do something else.
We did a lot of my trees last year, so
yeah.
Put new lighting in, and added a few figures. And, there's a place on Sundance down in Florida that really makes amazing figures.
Oh yeah?
This guy here is one of them. Really like you, so there's two places on this side. It's amazing.
How big is this?
Sundance Central.
Oh, it's a club or something?
It's a modular 1 to 20 layout, and they all over the country to
Oh, I know.
they're gonna be at the National Narragative Convention, yeah.
Which I was
And
planning.
I'm going to that just to see that
Oh,
layout.
I know. I got a video. We were down there.
Here's already in.
Well, I bought it when I was down there.
Oh, then they've already advertised it, so I'm gonna get it.
You're going to Kansas City?
Yeah, but anyway, so, yeah, I'm
It's
gonna
in
go
Kansas
just to see.
City.
Huh?
What's in Kansas City?
The National Narragative.
Convention.
Oh,
It's in September.
yeah, I've never been to one of those. Been
Well,
thinking about going,
I've
but
been to a couple here when they're in Denver, Colorado Springs, but I haven't been to one out of the city. But I'm gonna go just to see that Sundance Central.
Well, Bronson and Tate's going to have their layout on their
well, they're gonna take the modules up there.
Do they have modules? Because I love to.
That Sundance Central, that whole railroad,
Yeah.
their permanent layout is all modular. They can pack it all up and go.
Their videos on my web, my favorites, so I look at it.
They got 2 HOs like that. I don't think they take to the G.
They just take the PGA.
Yeah. They got another one.
Well, the modeling.
They got like 3 or 4 other small.
Same 4 or 5 guys have done all that.
Well, I think there's more than 4 or 5 guys.
Well, there's 4 or 5 guys that did the PGA.
Yeah.
They've added 3 guys that did the
Oh man, with detailing that is
I
super.
know. That's what I'm striving to do
Yeah.
here.
Well, you're awful close to what they're doing.
In fact, I think the trees are.
Yeah.
I mean, they got their modeling. I mean, their construction is just tremendous.
Oh, they are.
But I look at theirs and some of the trees are got
One of the things I was trying to get people interested in.
See, it looks like the real trees through your LCD screen.
Yeah,
really do.
Find the interest in it.
Well, it takes a pretty good group of dedicated people.
Yeah.
Yeah, their module setup is really great.
Is there?
And I think the only way they can set it up is the same way they have it.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
not something they
Yeah.
can.
No,
The modules are not interchangeable.
Well, you know, it's all. They built it to.
They just did a super job.
That's why I'm going, just to see that layout. You know.